Hello guys, so today I am here with two kinky clip-ins. Yes, I'm going to be installing some kinky clip-ins that I got from AliExpress. This is my first time trying kinky clip-ins and I cannot wait to try it. So first I'm going to go braid my hair. I'm going to do it off camera, then I'm going to leave out the part where I feel I'm going to need for this install. So I will see you after I am done braiding down my hair. So I'm done making my hair. This is what I have. So what I did was, I don't know if you guys can see, I left out this part and then round my head like this all the way to this place and then this part. So any day I intend to do middle part, I would leave just this one and then braid this one down so this part won't suffer. But if I want to do like an updo, ponytail or just styling that will require to show the sides of my hair, then I'm going to take out this part and then do what I need to do. I don't know if you guys get the gist, but yeah, that's the plan. I hope it works. So now I'm just going to start clipping in my extensions. So this is a 20-inch. This is a 20-inch, and this is what it looks like I showed you guys. I bought 2 packs. I hope this will be enough. I hope it's going to be full enough. So this is what it looks like. They have I think different sizes, 2 per size. This is 4, this is 3, 2, and then 1. So I'm going to start with, I think, 2 at the back. We'll see guys. I hope it's full enough. Anyway, this is what it's looking like. I think it's not bad, right? Not bad. So now I'm just going to take out, oh no, I'm going to blow dry it. Attempt to blow dry it first and see. So what do you guys think? I did blow dry my hair and then ironed it just a little bit because I'm not about to fry my hair. Maybe when I'm ready to properly like style my hair, then I'm going to do all that. But for now, I think this came out really nice. What do you guys think? It's giving natural, right? It's giving scalp. That's why I left some hair here and here so I can do ponytail, like pack, do an updo, just anything basically. But yeah, I actually like this. So yeah, and that's it on this video. I actually do love this. I pray I'll be able to rock it however I like. I'm going to try to rock this for as long as I can. And yeah, that's it on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, guys. Bye.